What's going on with the truckers? So the Real Pack King just went live moments ago and asked every influencer to share this. Basically, all truck drivers that are protesting in Ottawa right now, please don't honk your horns. There's something that's just come in place for the next 10 days, and if you honk your horn, you will be arrested. So just know that. Second to that, Ottawa is actually looking at making the feds negotiate with the truck drivers. So this is actually an extremely big win. But watch this video, follow the Real Pack King, and so you can have more information about what's going on in real time.
Need everybody's attention right now. All truckers, brake, 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 brake. All truckers, brake, brake, brake. All right, let's let everybody load in. Guys, what a great day today it was. I need everybody's attention right now. This is urgent. This is a message that has to go out to everybody out there. Every trucker, everybody on the convoy, everybody that's inside Ottawa, in the jurisdiction of Ottawa, in the jurisdiction of the downtown corridor of Ottawa. I need everybody's attention. Spread this out far and wide to everybody out there. 100% need all truckers dead silent on the horns. Everybody, dead silent on the horns. Ottawa municipality just filed an injunction and has been signed by a judge for 10 days. We need all horns silenced. Everybody, silence on the horns. This is their grounds to arrest you and pull you out of your trucks. This is what they're going to try and do. So now we're dead silent on the horns, guys. Okay? Now, Ottawa municipality has also requested by the federal government, as a CTV News, that they are requesting a federal advisor come down and negotiate. Ottawa municipality has just requested a federal representative to come down and negotiate with us. We are winning, but not without a little bit of hassle. So I'm asking each and everyone out there, if you are in your trucks, if you are sitting there, brake, brake, brake on the horns. Stop the horns. Nobody is to honk the horns. Do not do it. I repeat, do not honk your horns. I have confirmation. I have written confirmation. I also have news broadcast confirmation of everything that's going on right now. This is a good thing. This is a good thing. Appease to the citizens of Ottawa and show them who we are. They asked us to stop. Stop. We're not here to harass the citizens of Ottawa. We are here to negotiate with the feds. Now the feds are being requested now by the municipality of Ottawa to come and negotiate with us. Everybody is to put it out there right now. All truckers, all four-wheelers, stop with the horns. They are going to arrest you. The injunction has been signed. It has been signed for 10 days. For the next 10 days, you cannot blast your horns. I understand it's hard. We love them. We absolutely love them. But no more horns during the evenings when they're sleeping. We have confirmation that the injunction was signed less than an hour ago by a judge, which now gives Ottawa Police Services the right to arrest you for breaking the injunction. So we stand here as professionals and we do what we need to do